Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. Let's begin in a seated position. And let's focus on our breath. As you focus on your breath, set your intention to let go. Let everything go. Let go of whatever may have happened today, good or bad. Those moments are now over. Let go of any thought or anticipation for tomorrow. Everything is as it should be, and whatever is meant to be will be. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Let's start by tilting our head to our right shoulder and extending our left hand to our left side, pointing our fingers up towards the ceiling for a nice stretch in our neck. If you need a deeper stretch, you can place your right palm on the left side of your face. On your next exhale, look down towards your right forearm and slowly roll it over to the other side, extending your right hand out, fingers pointing towards the ceiling. Breathe into the right side of your neck. On your next exhale, slowly roll it back down to center. And when you're ready, take your time coming into a nice extended child's pose. Knees as wide as the mat, big toes to touch. Let's come back to all fours. And from here, let's extend our right leg out. And when you're ready, lift it high and gently place your right knee behind your right palm for pigeon pose. Breathe deeply into the front body. Loop your shoulders back, make sure your chest is out. And on your next exhale, bring it forward and rest your forehead onto the mat. Now let's slowly make our way out of the pose and extend our right leg back out and take it over to pigeon on the other side. So place our left knee behind our left palm. Breathe into this stretch here, and then when you're ready, take it on down to the mat. On your next exhale, slowly make your way out of the pose and bring it up to our first downward facing dog. Pedal it out here as much as you need to. And when you're ready, let's slowly walk our hands back towards our feet. From here, take a second in a nice forward fold, breathing into the back body. And then from here, let's bring our toes as wide as the mat and bring it on down into a nice yogi squat. Now let's make our way back onto the ground and extend our legs out long. From here, let's bring our arms up high and slowly melt it forward into a nice forward fold. Bend your knees as much as you need to here. And breathe deeply into the back body. When you're ready, mindfully roll it back up. And now let's make our way onto our backs. From here, we'll bring our right knee up into our chest. When you're ready, we'll bring it over for a nice supine twist, extending our right arm to our right side. In this pose, make sure both your shoulders are firmly on the ground. It's okay if your right knee doesn't make it all the way to the ground, as long as both shoulders are firmly on the ground. That is more important. Let's slowly make our way back out and extend our right leg back down. Bring our left knee back in and hug it towards our chest. When you're ready, we'll take our supine twist on our other side, extending our left arm out, looking towards our left side, and again making sure both our shoulders are on the ground. Slowly make it back to center. And now let's hug both knees into our chest for a nice hug. Gently rock back and forth if that feels good. From here, we'll make our way into a happy baby pose, grabbing the outside of both your feet with your hands, the soles of your feet pointing upwards. You can rock slowly back and forth here if that feels nice. Slowly bring it back down with your heels hugging in close towards your body. From here, let's make our way into a bridge pose, slowly lifting up and breathing deep here. On your next exhale, slowly bring it back down. And we'll move with our breath here. So on your next inhale, bring it back up. Exhale, bring it back down. Inhale, bring it up. Exhale, back down. Try to move slower than you want to here. We'll do it one more time. Inhale up. And exhale back down. Now let's bring our feet as wide as our mats. Let both our knees fall in towards each other. Let's place our hands on our stomach and feel our breath moving in and out. And now we'll slowly windshield wiper our legs back down. And we'll come into our final resting pose in Shavasana. Extend your legs and your arms out long. Take up some space here. Thank yourself for showing up this evening. I hope you all have a beautiful night's sleep with sweet dreams and that you wake up fully rested. Let's bring our hands together at our third eye and back down to our chest. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste.